We all know that the cost of water keeps rising, and there are water shortages in many parts of the world. In fact, in some areas it's even being rationed. So I have a question for you. How much water do you waste from the time you start the shower and the time you're actually willing to step into it? In other words, how much fresh, clean water needlessly goes down the drain that could be stored for emergency drinking water later, or you try to move it around in buckets and injure your back? Well, that's where our company AquaView comes in. Our slogan is results you can see, and you'll see why we say that in a few moments. We prevent the wasting of this water with our new product called the SHOWERMizer. SHOWERMizer allows you to stop wasting the water that normally would go down the drain and instead have it be salvaged for later use. Many parts of the world are starting to save gray water. In fact, in Northern California, there's a push to save gray water, like from the laundry, for use in the garden. But none are promoting the gathering and saving of emergency fresh water. Now there is. The Freshwater Reclamation System from AquaView Inc.
Let's take a moment to explain what we're doing with the Freshwater Reclamation System from AquaView Inc. What we're doing is we're taking the fresh, clean water that's in the piping in the home that normally is wasted going out the shower head and down the drain before it's ready to be used, and sending that through the SHOWERMizer unit you see there in that blue circle, specifically past that little tube, which we'll talk in the red, which we'll talk more about in just a moment. And we're sending it to a sealed, potable water storage tank system that then can be linked with any other and many other kinds of water conservation systems. Here are some examples of retrofit installations of a freshwater reclamation system from AquaView Inc.
Here is a typical shower in a home before any modifications are made. This is the wall outside that home. The shower head is reattached and the installation is complete. On the outside of the house, a standard PVC pipe comes down to a hermetically sealed food-grade water storage tank, in this case a 55-gallon drum. Remember, this is 100% drinkable water that is constantly being rotated in and out of the storage tank so it does not become stagnant. And in an emergency, you have a supply of fresh water that under normal circumstances would have just been sent down the drain. How do you know the hot water has arrived? Well, remember that tube we were talking about a little bit earlier, shown there in the circle? Keep an eye on that tube. As water passes through that tube and it's cold, the tube remains blue. The moment hot water hits it, and we say it happens in under 4 seconds, it turns pinstripe blue-white. So even if you're colorblind, you can see the hot water has arrived. And if it's already hot, it will be white. So our company slogan, Results You Can See, is because you can see when the hot water has arrived. Please watch our product information video or installation guide for a more complete understanding of how the SHOWERMizer freshwater reclamation system can work for you.